Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add categories on Etsy website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you actually open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page if you are logged in into your account. Of course, and you will see this sentence right here. Welcome back, and that will be just your name or your username. Of course, if you're not logged in into your account or you don't even have an account, you'll find an option at the top right corner to sign in or to even create your account or to log in. Of course, you can log in or create your account with a Google account, Facebook account, or even an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So once you actually finished or logged in into your account or just created your account, you'll find yourself here, as you said, which is going to be your home or your main screen, with this sentence, of course, of welcome back with your name. So of course, if you would like to add some categories to your shop on Etsy website, simply will need to go to the shop manager at the top right corner. Just click at the shop icon. That will take you into this page, and from this page you'll need to go and click right at this left option, listen. So just go and click on it once, and that will take you here. Of course, here you'll find the items or the products that you are already selling on your shop. And of course, if you want to add categories, items, whatever you want, even if you want to edit this category, you can just go here to manage and click at edit. Of course, if you don't want to, if you want to add some new listing, new categories, simply just go and click at the add listing at the top right corner. And of course, just fill all of these options and then publish it and you'll be good to go. So this will actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.